What's up guys, this is Smith. Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna compare the DesKit laptop table with the PWR Plus laptop table. Alright, quick unboxing. So what is in the box? On the DesKit we got the ABS plastic joints, as you can see here and here. And on the PWR Plus we have also those plastic stands, but it's like kind of bit different material, I would say. In the DesKit we got the side table, which has this little like notches here, and yeah, so I don't know, if you place it here, then yeah, if you have some stuff sliding down, it will not fall down right away. It has like a little hole there, but this is like just cheap plastic, I would say. No, it's kind of durable, it's okay. Very important is this little nut right here, which comes in here, and then I will show you how to do this on the side. And then you have this little hole here, so you can put the table in there. I will show you that guys later. Alright, first let's talk about the DesKit. So as you can see, it feels like a little bit cheap, and there's a lot of movement going on here. So yeah, this is doesn't look that stable, but the big plus on that one is it's a little wider, since the legs are like out, so you have like a little bit more room space here for your legs. That's kind of good. The table, I've never really used that one, but if you want, I can show you how to install it. Once it's on it, it's kind of cool. Like you can put, I don't know, your mouse here or your drink. If you lie on the bed, it's kind of comfortable. You can also adjust the angle of the little table here. Like for example, if you lie on bed like this, it's straight up. And yeah, another little plus is the weight. So very lightweight, and the wide space here. Those joints are not really that stable, so I don't like those that much. That's pretty much it about this. Just in case you have like a bigger notebook or a big book you want to place here, you can put those little notches here, just like so, and then looking pretty good, and then it holds the notebook secure there. It's nice. Let's move to the PWR Plus. So what is in the box in the PWR Plus? We have the little side table, but this time it's a little different. I'm going to show you how it's done. Just like so. So this table, looks a little bit more, it seems more durable and stable. It doesn't shake like too much, I would say, compared to the DesKit table. That one is more bandy, and that one seems more stable, this one tense and bends, this one bends, and that one is more precise work. It's those joints here and there, Another nice feature about this is the cooling system built inside. And I also believe like you can, if you don't want this, you can just uninstall it and then you just have a plain table, save some weight like in case if you travel that. Also like a plus point, or I don't know, like maybe a minus for you, is that the joints are starting actually under the table and not like here next to the table on the side. So you save some space, but keep in mind that if you lie in the bed and then you don't have like that much leg space. Let me measure that actually later. Yeah, also about the table, you put that in here like so it's always like a little bit more up. You can adjust here the angle, and then I don't know, like when I use it like that, usually I put my SSD here or my USB ports on my notebook, so I can place it here, or I don't know, maybe camera, phone, something like that. Maybe no drink, but possible. Yeah, the fan, I tried it out, it works pretty good. It's not too loud though, even though it maybe just have a 2% to 5% effect on your coolness. But keep in mind, when you cool your hardware, the notebook will live longer. Yeah. Also that one has those sides here, but that one you plug in like that, and this one you just move it on the side here like that, and the other one just like that. You can put books on it and stuff. Yeah, this one's more stable. Yeah. Alright, let's get a quick summary about what happened. So on that side we have the PWR Plus, which is stable. Got the ventilators, got the fan system, has better quality joints, I would say, and is a little smaller. On the downside, the table is not in the under position, so it might be uncomfortable if you work on your notebook and the mouse is here, like on your bed or something, I don't know, on the couch. So yeah, I don't know if this table in that high is that useful, but you have to decide that by your own. Another minus might be that the leg space between here is too small, so you might feel uncomfortable, or imagine if you lie down in the bed and you just like lying down and you have the blanket over you, maybe it doesn't have too much space, you know, so you feel kind of like stiff in the box. Alright, let's go to the DesKit. So what I like about this is it's more lightweight and it has a bigger space, so it's better for chilling or working, or if you are in bed and you have the blanket, then you don't feel like that packed. Otherwise, the bad things are it seems not that great quality, like the plastic here. I don't know, it's not that good. Yeah, it's not that stable, that's all. Alright, so yeah, let's make the fan test. Then we got everything. A quick fan test. It's not too loud, but yeah, you can definitely hear it. And here, I just connected my USB ports so I can actually use it. One more time, I'm going to start the fans. It's definitely cooling, but yeah, the effect might be not too much. Yeah. All right. As you can see here, it's barely moving. It's really nice, and when you type on it, yeah, it seems stable. It looks really good actually. Yeah. A quick test here. Quick writing test. Yeah, you can see it's like it's more shaking. Yeah, it's shaking all over like the whole time. It's not that stable. I wouldn't trust it too much, and I saw some reviews on Amazon that those joints actually crack really easy. This one I believe is 15 kilogram you can put on. This one, it doesn't say how much kilogram you can put on. Yeah. Also keep in mind that here it's really low, so if you have a big notebook, a bigger one, then it might be a problem. Otherwise to this, where you have like more space to put your notebook or books on it, so that's pretty good. So I would recommend this one just because you have the fans and you can like put them away if you don't need them. You can like uninstall them if you don't need them. You got the better material here on the table, like metal, and most important, the joints are better. Little minus is the leg space is not that big. This one has about 33 centimeters of leg room, and this one has about 29-30 centimeters of leg room. So this one is slightly smaller, but you definitely feel a difference, like especially if you have a blanket between it. By the way, this table is really easy to put on and put off. So you can just work like this. Put those joints in the right position, as like this, and like so. Yeah. No big deal. I'm not gonna show you this. Yeah. If you need more details, like just look at the website. I believe the highest is about 50 centimeters or something like that. Yeah, I can show you that, guys, really quick. So as you can see here, I'm gonna blend it in the picture here. There's many adjustable angles, so you have a lot of positions where you can put the table in. Yeah. Right. Yeah, so thanks for joining in and looking at the review about those two laptop stands. Which one you decide is up to you. You know the pros, you know the cons. And yeah. Hit that like button if you like this video and you got some nice information about it. I'm always happy if you subscribe. Just subscribe if you like, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, thumbs up. Thanks, see you next time. Peace out.